A lot of blackbirds out here. Let's see if I can get a picture of them. They won't fly away. Got 100 of them out there. A lot of birds tearing it up. Watch them, they'll fly off in a minute. That's crazy. A lot of birdies. We can shoot the movie, The Birds. There's some hungry birds. If you zoom in on them, some of them got like a bluish tint. Look pretty cool. Y'all get through watching this video, please hit the like button for me. I would appreciate it. And again, I'm stuck on that 209 subscribers. I'd sure like to get to 210. So if any of y'all can help me out, sure would appreciate her. Watch it. One of them will come back and then they'll all follow. They'll be back. And they're taking their time this time. Some gloomy weather out there. Thought it was supposed to be pretty, but this weather here makes me sleepy. Well, there's a car that's coming. No, they're not gonna come back now. What's up, old timer? Bunch of old country folk here in my little country town. All right, then we'll catch y'all on the next one. Have a blessed day, my friends. Please remember to like the video. We out.